Hi everyone, welcome back to A Touch of Glam. My name is Leia and I'm so excited to have you here. I hope you're all having a wonderful day. I'm so excited to share with you today's video, which is our formal living room makeover. You will be seeing in today's video how we have created my dream wainscoting, DIY decoration ideas, some tips and tricks to make your makeover much easier, and glam decorate my new formal living room with me with some new furniture. This video is in collaboration with VEVOR. I have collaborated with VEVOR before with their strong and durable heat press machine, but for today's video they have sent me their new and updated automatic heat press machine, as well as their card making and paper crafting, die cutting and embossing machine. VEVOR is a leading brand that specializes in equipments and tools. VEVOR is dedicated to providing DIYers and professionals with tough equipment and tools at the lowest prices. They have so much to choose from on their website, so be sure to check them out. I'm sure there's something you would find there that you would love and need. This die cutting machine is complete with a starter kit that helps you tackle and create special and unique DIY arts and crafts for scrapbooking, card making, and crafting some intricate paper designs. I love that I can make my very own greeting cards for any occasion with my own personal touches, with this machine making my cards much more special for the occasion. It was also super easy to use, and I love that it's so affordable for a new scrapbooking and card making such as myself. I also bought the crafting papers from Dollar Tree for this project. It's so convenient and affordable, making me love this machine all the more. I can't wait to create more DIYs with this machine for some glam decorating ideas. I will also share their new and latest automatic heat press machine, which you will see here shortly. This heat press machine is VEVOR's latest smart auto heat press machine that allows you to liberate your hands. No need to monitor, just one touch to close. It will automatically adjust the pressure according to the material, allowing you to save time and effort to produce your work. This latest heat press machine has a precise knob control that automatically opens once it's finished pressing. It comes with an automatic shutdown function, which makes it more secure and prevent injury and burnt project. Can we also talk about how cute and chic these matching heat press and die cutting machine is? I love the white and teal colors and how slim and compact they are. With the heat press machine, you can create all kinds of designs for your shirts, hoodies, bags, blankets, and so much more. I will provide the links for you on the description box below in case if you are also interested in these machines. Thank you VEVOR for sponsoring this video. With all that being said, now let's continue with the makeover. It has always been a dream of mine to have this special style of wainscoting, and I'm so grateful and proud of the hubby for doing such an amazing job with this wainscoting and making my dream come to life. I just wanted to give him a shout out to let him know that all his hard work and patience is much appreciated in making this whole house the home of our dreams that he's been working hard on. Personally, we have been searching YouTube for any sort of tutorials with regards to this type of paneling, but was not successful in finding one. So we hope this video will give you some sort of ideas and inspiration in creating this type of wainscoting for your next project. So if you want to see how we have created this newly and updated formal living room with a touch of glam, and to see the full transformation, then please continue watching till the end. Here's the way my new formal living room turned out, beautiful Glam family. I'm so full of happiness with how this new formal living room came to be. It now looks so cozy and welcoming, but of course with a touch of glam. I love the white clean colors to this room. It's so refreshing to the eye. I hope you have enjoyed this video and found some inspirations and motivation to also create your next makeover or project with the ideas that we shared. Kindly give this video a huge thumbs up and share below what you think of this makeover. I'd love to know. And if you know someone that could use or would love to be inspired in tackling their next project, please kindly share this video with them. If you are new here, my channel is all about inspiring you with the ideas that we share to make your house a home, and I'd love to have you be part of the Glam family. So if you have not subscribed yet, today I hope you consider doing so. To my returning Glam family, I just wanted to let you know that I appreciate you and I'm thankful for each one of you for continued love and support. Till the next video, I hope to see you then. Have an amazing day or night. God bless you all abundantly. Bye!